welcome to the video. First things first, I hope you're doing well. And if this video has found you, I do believe there may be a message here you may benefit from hearing. So right now in your life, things might be going upside down, like life's flipped on its head. Everything's breaking down. Life's falling apart in every single way possible. And you're in this place of, I'm in rock bottom. There's no way out for me now. My life's doomed. This is it. This is what it is for me now. And probably in a state of deep despair. And I'm here to remind you, and if this video has found you, it's just to remind you that you are stronger than what you could ever believe. And I know how life can break you down in more than one way. And I'm not standing here to preach or to tell you, paint you a fluffy picture of how your life's magically going to improve. That's not the point of the video. But the point of the video is that, and what nobody tells you, is when you hit rock bottom, everything is stripped away. Everything you probably know. The love of your life has probably left you. You've probably lost a loved one, which, how could that benefit me? How could that not be against me as opposed for me? And I totally understand, and I'm not here to say that losing a loved one is something or a lesson that you feel you may not need to be taken on right now. But anyway, without me going off topic, whatever the situation is, whatever you're going through right now, the breakdowns, I don't know, overcoming addictions or loss of a job, whatever it might be, is that it was supposed to happen when it did. And again, I know that's hard to hear and makes complete no sense to you right now, but you were strong enough to go through it. And the fact that you fell across this video, or this video has come across your feed, I do believe that it was here for you. And I'm here to remind you that despite whatever you're going through, and I know it doesn't feel that way right now, but you can pull yourself out of this and things will get better. And you're probably going to have to show more strength and will and determination than what you ever have done. But if you can anchor into the trust that no, none of this makes sense, and maybe I don't deserve this, and why is this happening to me sort of shit, the sooner you can accept what is going on and try and lean into the discomfort as opposed to fighting it and blaming everyone and everything around you, or saying that you're cursed and that the universe has got it in for you. If you can switch the perspective from thinking that way and try and understand that this is for your higher purpose, and that better days will come and you will rise as a stronger version of yourself. So again, if you have lost a loved one or what, you know, I'm not here to say that it's going to be easy. I'm not. That's not the point. And that's probably one of the worst things you possibly could deal with. But it's just a little reminder to tell you that you were built to be able to handle these situations. And although how dark it might be for you right now, you will climb out of this, and there will be a time of reflection where you know that you didn't give up, that you didn't quit, that maybe you didn't go out drinking, numbing, not facing it. And for you watching this video, I know that's not what your intentions are. You're looking for the higher meaning of things. So let this be a little reminder for you that you are strong enough to take this. You're doing better than what you realise. And if there's anything I can do, or if I can offer you any help or support, feel free to reach out to me. I've been through quite a few things myself over the last 7-8 months. And if you check out the links below, you can have a little nose around and probably see what I'm up to, as this year's been shit to say the least. Probably one of the toughest years of my life. So I am walking this path with you. Just know that you're not alone, and things will get better as long as you don't give up on yourself. So if this video had any type of value for you right now, please give me a thumbs up, and a subscribe would be even better. And just know that I'm here for you. Keep going. God bless.